Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury and Bulldog Nation, this little very, very short legal seminar is to point out something that really bothers me, and it should bother you, and no one ever talks about it, and it's a pretty big deal. In fact, it's a massive big deal. This country has three major credit reporting agencies, three of them. And they have so much power to control whether you get credit, whether you get a loan, what the interest rates are, so forth and so on. And nobody talks about this at all. And it's a real issue and a real problem. And it's this. Do you know that anybody at any given time, even if you've got a legitimate dispute with them, can throw on those three credit reporting agencies your slow payment, not paying, your dispute, whatever it is? So for example, let's say you have a very legitimate dispute with someone and you're fighting them on it. You can't stop them reporting it to the three credit bureaus regardless of whether you're right, wrong, or indifferent. This country, Congress, needs to change the law so that not any Tom, Dick, and Harry thing can get thrown on somebody's credit report. There needs to be a much stricter guidance and rules to be followed to tarnish somebody's credit. It's a real pet peeve with me because it's happened to me. I'm sure it's happened to you. And what happens is, this is crazy. I couldn't believe this. One time I was getting a loan on something, and they said, well, before we lend you this money, you got to pay that $9,000. It was for like a phone book ad that they didn't do what they told me they would do, so I never paid it. I said, are you kidding me? They said, no, you got to pay that ad before. So here you are extorted from paying a disputed bill in order to get a loan that has nothing to do with that disputed bill. You wonder why I have such hatred for big-time corporate America and their shenanigans? This is an example of it. Who likes insurance companies? Who likes banks? These three credit reporting agencies have way too much power in this country, and there needs to be some laws passed that get it under control so people with legitimate disputes aren't tarnished permanently or temporarily with something on their credit report that should not be on there. I'm telling you, folks, this happens all the time, and it needs to stop. Every dog has their day. I hope you have a great day.